Hi lovely people, it's Mommy again. And sorry, ngayon ko lang naisipan mag-record. It's because I'm so busy. Yung work schedule ko, I work at night, like 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. But of course, in the next few days, it will change for sure. So, yun nga, just wanted guys to update guys. I just wanted to update that I'm still creating the ideas of the next game. Medyo, ano ba yun? yung anak ko nandito. And yes, I'm still creating the ideas for the next game. Ano ba yun, Mommy? Lagi ka na lang si update. Wala na talaga yung game. For sure, ganyan yung mga comment. For sure, yung mga thoughts na. Sorry na. That's why I just woke up. Wala pa akong hilamos. Wala pa akong kahit toothbrush. Wala. And that's why I'm using this filter from TikTok. So cute here. Di ba? Cute lang. Sorry. Sorry na. Pero don't worry, I'm gonna update you guys. Kapag medyo talaga okay na yung ginagawa ko dun. Kasi ang hirap kasi nagkukumit ako and then ano, di na kasi siya tulad nung dati kong company na everything's is free, you know, even transportations. So ngayon medyo challenging talaga sa akin yung pag-report ko sa work. Kaya, hi. And I hope you understand. Siyempre, mag-understand din to you. That's, salamat sa pag-intindi to all of my mages who actually waiting for my next game. Wow, kala mo talaga. Pero cozy game yun. Alam mo, cozy game yun. Nakukitan ako talaga, alam nyo ba? Gusto ko na talaga siyang matapos. Kaya lang talagang iniisip ko pa, ano pwede ko idagdag dito? Mga ganong eksena. So, that's it for now and take care. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.